Hi, we're at the Pepper Cook Studio today and I'm experimenting with the spicy maple chicken. My daughter brought me this wonderful bottle of maple syrup from Canada and I've been trying to use it in a lot of my recipes. This is really quick and easy and surprisingly really yummy. So follow me while I cook the chicken. So what I've got here are 3 half chicken breasts, which is about 300 grams. And I'm going to add to that some salt, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder to make it spicy, but you can skip that if you don't want really spicy chicken. I'm also adding half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. And then I'm going to add my herbs. I've got some fresh thyme. You can use dried if you want. And a little bit of rosemary. And I'm just going to gently massage that in to my chicken. And now to my chicken, I'm going to add this beautiful brown maple syrup. It's going to give a lot of richness and flavor to our chicken. And then I'm just going to place my chicken in a grill pan with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And just gently let it cook for about 4 to 6 minutes aside. Oh, that smells so good. And you can just use a little bit more of your marinade on the chicken while it's cooking. Look at that rich color. And there we have it. Your spicy maple chicken is done. And it smells delicious.